What is an addition to a hair extension? We all know that hair extensions add hair on the bottom area to make your hair fuller on the bottom or longer on the bottom. But what about the top area when you have thin hair on the top? Now there's something called the Micro Strand Revolution. How do you add hair on the top where you see and feel nothing? Through this technology, the Micro Strand. Take a look at this. Notice this. It's very difficult to see. Even if I put it against my skin, it disappears. One human hair at a time is fed onto this for you. To make this an example of the finished product. Check that out. Look at that. Look how you see right through it. These will be custom made for you exactly in the density and hair volume or length that you want. And when you apply these, all you do is comb your hair through it. And it automatically holds. And you'll not only have fuller hair on top, but you'll feel nothing. You'll run your fingers down to your scalp and feel your scalp as if nothing's there.
This, my sweetheart, is the InvisaBlend topper. Look at this, you guys. I mean, look closely. Can we do it again? Can we do it again? What?
So, remember the top technology that you need to make your hair fuller while keeping your hair safe and using your own hair, meaning your own hair comes through this. You'll be able to wake up with fuller hair, take a shower, shampoo, swim, do everything, full-time hair. The Micro Strand technology.